Friends, I am Dr. Sujit Ghosh. Welcome to my channel, Dr. Ghosh Presents. Signs, symptoms and uses of homeopathic remedy Ammon.mur. Full name Ammonium muriaticum. Common name Sal ammoniac or ammonium chloride. Short name Ammon.mur. Source chemical compound, chemical word. Pathogenesis. This remedy produces a state of prostration bordering on a typhoid-like state. All mucous secretions are increased and retained. Coughs associated with catarrhs and affections of liver. It causes irregular circulation. Blood appeared to be in a constant turmoil, causing ebullitions, burnings, and localized throbbings. Tension and tightness as if muscles and tendons are too short in groins, hamstrings, lumbar regions. Relation with heat and cold. Symptoms get worse from heat. Constitution best suited to fat, puffy, sluggish people with thin limbs who always feel tired and sore. Diathesis is not known. Miasm Sora. Mental gels of Ammon.mur. Desire to cry but cannot. Melancholic, apprehensive. Bad effects of internal grief. Brain paralysis. Physical gels of Ammon.mur. Cupramate affects nerves of cerebrospinal axis and muscles, causing spasmodic effect, laughter, shivering, deathly exhaustions, and cold perspiration. Epilepsy at night. Mind it, epilepsy at night during menses. Many groups of symptoms accompanied by cough and profuse glary mucus and liver troubles. Tensions and tightness in muscles and tendons as if they are too short. It causes ulcerative and festering pain. Neuralgic pain in the stumps of amputated limbs. Look at this figure on the right hand side. This portion is called a stump of amputated limb. This limb have been amputated. This is stump of the amputated limbs. Most effective to patients who are fat, puffy, sluggish with thin limbs and who always feel tired and sore. It has been said earlier also. Worse, morning, head and chest symptom, afternoon, abdominal symptoms, evening, skin, fever, limb symptoms, chronic pains, walking erect periodically, night from 2 to 4 a.m. This time, the condition, these are all are worse. This situation, things make the patient worse. Better, open air, rapid motion, walking crooked. Head symptoms of Ammon.mur. Heaviness in the forehead. Pressy pain towards the root of the nose with a sensation as if brain were torn apart. Hair fall out with itching and dandruff. Eye symptoms of Ammon.mur. As if mist before eyes in bright light. This is as if mist before eyes. Yellow spots, flying spot before eyes. These are actually these are the things. These are called floaters. Before eyes vision, some globular things are floating. They are called floaters. Incipient cataract, capsular cataract. No symptoms of Ammon.mur. Free, acrid, hot, watery coryza. Closing one nostril. Loss of smell. Obstructed stuffy feeling with a desire to blow it out. Nose sore to touch. Sneezing arouse them from sleep. With shooting pain in the nape of the neck as far as the shoulders. Coryza in children with bluish discharge. Face symptoms of Ammon.mur. Face pale, lips burning like fire. Lips dry, shriveled, cracked, must moisten them with tongue. Burning eruptions, better from cold application. Mouth symptoms of Ammon-mur: slimy, burning blisters on tip of tongue. Throat symptoms of Ammon-mur: slimy, throbbing in and swelling of tonsils. Internal, external swelling of throat with sticky mucus and stricture of esophagus. Stricture means actually narrowing down. The esophagus has got a particular circumference. That circumference is minimized in different places. That is called stricture. And this is swollen tonsils area. Stomach symptom of Ammon-mur: thirst for lemonades, nausea with bitter water brush, worse from eating with shuddering, gnawing, burning, stitching in stomach extending to right axilla and upper arm, cancer of stomach, empty sensation in stomach but no desire to eat anything, diarrhea and vomiting during menses. Abdomen symptoms of Ammon-mur: stitches in spleen while eating with difficult breathing, cough with liver symptoms, burning in the rectum during and for hours after stool, excessive fatty deposits around abdomen, groins feel swollen and sore, scanty heart, crumbling stool, changing color and consistency. During menses, blood from anus or diarrhea. Hemorrhoids after suppressed leukorrhea, chains, pain feeling in groins, must walk bent. Urinary symptoms of Ammon-mur: profuse and frequent urination, urging yet a few drops pass until next stool when it flows freely. Profuse ammoniacal smelling urine. Female symptoms of Ammon-mur: menses too early with pain in abdomen and small of the back. Now small of the back is at a level of lumbar 3 vertebra. Flow more at night. Prolapse of uterus, leukorrhea like white of an egg with pain about navel. Words after urination. Words after every urination. Respiratory symptoms of Ammon-mur: hoarseness and burning in larynx, cough with profuse salivation or with liver symptoms, cannot breathe from coughing, cough worse lying on back or right side, noisy, rattling, tenacious mucus in chest, pulsation, burning spot in chest, neck and back symptoms of Ammon-mur: swollen cervical glands, sore pain or icy coldness between scapulae, not relieved by warmth, lumbago, bruised pain feeling in coccyx when sitting, fatty swelling of neck extending from ear to ear. Neck means at the relative level of C3 vertebra, nape of the neck, and fatty swelling there from extending from left ear to right ear. Extremity symptoms of Ammon-mur: tense sprained feeling in the groins, must walk bent, contraction of hamstring tendons. Now what are hamstring? Look at the picture on the right hand side. These muscles behind the thigh are actually called hamstring muscles, and the tendons are nothing but the end point of the muscles where the muscles get attached to the bone. So these are biceps femoris, semitendinosus and semimembranosus. The groups of muscles, these are called hamstring muscles or hamstring tendons. Same thing. Sciatica left side is sciatica. Left side is sciatica. Now sciatica is the longest and thickest nerve in our body. This is this sciatica pain. This is a very painful nervous disease. Worse from sitting, better from lying. Ulcerative pain in fingertips, pain in or ulcer on heel, pain in feet during menses, shooting pain in scapulae, worse during breathing, buttocks large, hamstring as if too strong, already explained, pain on walking. Sleep symptoms of Ammon-mur: erotic or anxious fearful dreams, start out of sleep. Skin symptoms of Ammon-mur: bleeding, eruptions, peeling of skin between fingers, itching on various parts of the body, especially in evening. Fever symptoms of Ammon-mur: chilly as often as they wake, sense of heat, feeling better in open air, alternating with chill. Chilly in evening after lying down. Profuse night sweats. Sweat from every motion. You know, fever has got 4 stages. The first stage is starting, then comes heat stage. Heat stage is followed by chill, and then it comes to sweat stage, or rather reverse what's possible: chilly, then heat, then sweat. And the first one is the prodromal stage, that is our preliminary stage. That is basically, there is no specific name. The fever has got 4 stages. Related medicines are calcarea carb, causticum, and senega. With this, the video ends. Thanks for listening and viewing. If you've got any problem to say, please write down in the comment section. I would certainly attend.